Ghana Police Service through one more Twitter platform no abeyi abaiwa na Judith when the accusation be about on the 29th of June police for ban fie this one bo to hama enam so emanyapa ehye ne kwa isa sene no pa video of a police for be and say womo eku emrante nine bia one farmer police for from the 27th of April and I say 2 months echi womo church ni papa echia elopie mo ni fi womo de ebo ni to na enwaye ni mu no Ghana police for so beka ensem odo bia ama ensem no eni adane na ansa de beto ankomo no eso meka ho say edumeko bi ebo yechi domo mo say ase emedi edumedi ebremo wo chat ye herbal center wo see aka nche mo say sana ne yare no we yare no sifatie bia no bomodia na fa to omo ewo maso ye na nyame adomo adoma chede a mutiri de esa yare ti yare tekra e free ni pedwemu enti say ye wona mani yare say ye woni pedwemu yare anampo yare kranko e na beso so ye lo share enye ye wugum bi kra e start it wo de aka wa na bomodia afomo numbers na echegu ewo asewo na ebiem nso no wasan so pe ye wo mo chakwan ewo akra that so my na tamale and also I want nothing region went me abona won so pa bono SB esita na mesa a police for emu aye no emu no according to police for no on the 29th of June through Director General of the CID Corporal Kennedy womo eba bonte e de semi ebe to jama Ghana for obi aso TV ento aso Eastern region confirm from bi womo ekochi womo a ebiem so ngubo otu ebi eto na no ewo ntebinti na ese womo connect abayo yin nsem a wokeka data wo boy eni njimu nda connect se e de beti eba ne se abayo ne papa kro na wo kasa police for otutu omu no womo ediekunu na ese no papa no armed robber because police for according to womo no etotutu a police for according wonduma womo ye aware of no cause so Eastern region no confirm for eso enwomo de kwetisa boy na babonte be ka say hoodlums be ababonte no mo say womo free shot who give it free shot na akwaka no papa no pay ugu na tede papa no amabes na yen kohwe se na police for de ensem no etu dwa ewo womo Twitter page wono no ebisa for ensem no womo de ba no ni mienu eso ade se wo hwa de dikan a police for no retweet abayo no the statement wo de etu dwa ena ebiem so mo fire ena womo so said these pictures shows a place similar to the place at Entuaso in the Eastern region where police arrested armed robbers and retrieved several arms and ammunition, including about 3,000 AK-47 ammunition. This was in the news from the police briefing at the CID on 30th June 2021. At the one patch say and some no de betu news muka dada o ma boga na farmer near say on the 30th no and 29th no mo eko to aso no ewo estimate eko bo akofo bi to eko chi obi mo e de be pie mo nti say ne papa no tie no de betu de hu foni ne ese dan bia womo so ebura womo di djuma ewo nti na say abayo ne papa no ebetimi aka obi na wo mama ne ensu a say e no mo etra ensem no eso ye Ghana Police Service womo say the man who shot one of the officers was also shot by the police. Does that mean your father was the armed robber who was shot by the police? You at Riona Judith should answer the questions from the police. I just say and so on the air patch say papa kro bubo ni tuo wato na e won se no yo ni papa ono nso area tia so ono so tuo ma na ebo police ni nte no na ma police force react o mbo tuo and they say abayiwa na Judith say na papa eno ahwe ne koko ewo police for tutu anu a ele na so ono so hu hia pass over police station no be yi ensem bi anu because a police for tuo omo boy no omo edibotia amro beta na omo so etutu edi etiomo na ebusia for ensem no akukwa matase amanfo do mo ajimu biesa se wo mo ejidi se abayo ne nsem no emu do pa e hia se clarity ebebe meta se wo hwe abayo no ne nsem so no draft state ato so wo kira biem so be reply say honorable member of parliament for Eastern region one honorable anodonbre onimi nsem ni biata se very aware what they to ne tweet page what so say no they to just say See, respectfully, you have no freaking idea what the family is going through in the hands of the police, of these policemen, who is hell bent on concealing evidence, etc. Ask your friend MP why it's not in the news, or whether he doesn't know about this incident before you ask. And there's a Bayani person one say, even the honorable member of parliament for a area Peswa Swa Assembly is a honorable and not on prayer, were very aware of the incident. Don't want person when you are so woman so pressing and something about a method of Pontismobia and Tibes and said, Nipani a kum on the whole son, whole fire, and when yasem as a police for able to a kum. But in the most a police for so a young one with about teacher said, woman so chila woman any nipacona, omuko arm robbery hands, manhunt, and omodi etching nipacona to say, a bayon some woman send a walk and then and when you ask for Baba police station almost a year and some anno. Let's say for acquire banter between a byway and the police. Acquire said according to a Bayano police, 4 person concealing evidence, concealing and some kind some a police force so chira. And some a PMO ewo 30th June press briefing na omubo and some way so so mark chia ko fodu and to aswa mate say e be command am so ACZ ammunition AK-47 say dey keka won 2 awu do keka won na te say e won say no betu da ewo wo mo live conference monti entry go ban say one person mun conceal information almost at this side some to the Bayern na say unclarify and some years say one papa or two police photo area tia and then say never pado armed robber. It was for the air cause the see the ama o man my semo ko obi ya and say will be named your kind of no be into the chat to see an do say Bayern spare pia ponting no police for catching no church some here because no church papa innocent. A police for evidence be if papa no kobo omukobo ntuo amode afi or dey free as far as so a police for so that be omomugo etuo no omogo omu etuo no armed robbers it is a say no asem say pa ene esifa enfa no ye dia police for no eni anasa baye no akwa ga nani as say dey sem akonia tisabambo for dodo na ho aka 70 yen kasa baye no na ye no o ka no question say oyet memoni ensem no say na tem de meja ade ato say ye de ni edi eche de be fuma babia no ye de be somo e fide so nti bomodia na koso na share too much GH by subscribing so share video way on all the social media platforms. Follow Too Much GH on Instagram, Twitter so at Too Much GH _ Facebook so Too Much GH. Most of one na ama usa me dey some dey be see let me aduma. You say dey share the macramia. Bye bye.